Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the black rose filter on TikTok. So let's go to the effect gallery. Okay, we are in the effect gallery. In trending section, you should see the filter. If you can't see, then what you can do, tap on the search button and search for black rose. Okay, the first one with 9.1 million videos, tap there. Okay, this is the effect. To use the effect, you just have to tap on the create button and wait for it. You can use a picture from your camera roll also. Okay, so this is the effect and wait for it. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for black rose filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Or you can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page. What you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Okay, so tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, let's try again. I just got close. Yeah, sleepy.